Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, lived a curious and clever girl named Hermione Granger. One night, Hermione decided to explore the world of magic after bedtime. She sneaked out of her room, taking her wand and a few magical books. "Hocus pocus, let's see what I can find," she whispered, her eyes sparkling with excitement. She walked through the quiet streets, under the moonlit sky, to the mysterious forest of wonders. The forest was filled with twinkling fairy lights, glowing mushrooms, and talking trees. Hermione chatted with the friendly forest creatures, learning about their magical secrets. "Did you know that a dandelion flower can help you find your way home, if you're lost?" asked a friendly squirrel. "Oh, that's fascinating," replied Hermione, her eyes wide with wonder. She continued to explore, learning more and more about the magical world. But soon, she heard a faint cry for help. "Help! I've lost my magical powers," cried a small, scared owl. Hermione rushed over and, with a twinkle in her eyes, she cast a spell to help the owl. "Alohomora! Alohomora!" she chanted, and the owl's powers were restored. "Thank you, Hermione. You're a true friend to all magical creatures," the owl said gratefully. With a warm smile, Hermione continued her adventure, her heart filled with joy and wonder. When she returned home, she found her family waiting for her. They were worried sick, but Hermione just laughed and told them about her magical night. "I can't wait to tell you all the things I learned," she said excitedly. From that night on, Hermione became known as the bravest and kindest witch in the town. Her adventures continued, but she never forgot the lessons she learned under the moonlit sky in the Forest of Wonders. And so, every night before she slept, she would whisper, "Hocus pocus, good night," and drift off to dream of her magical world. The end.